Hello everyone, this is Fazda Homes. In episode 3, we will bring you block laying for the foundation of the outhouse and the security post. If you are new to this channel, we will ask you to subscribe so that whenever we upload any new videos, you will be the first to be notified. For a large part of this video, I remain silent for you to just enjoy the video. But I will say that my wife and I are not experts in construction. So there are a few things that we have done to protect ourselves. One is to educate ourselves by watching other people's video to know the steps in the construction process. For example, knowing the depth of foundation for a single-story building, the number of rebars that are supposed to be used, the column sizes, the use of damp-proof membrane, etc. All these knowledge we gained by watching other people's videos. The second thing that we also have done is all the workers that came to us were by referrals. So these workers, we have seen the work that they've done for other people and we went in for them. And I think so far from the videos that we have received, they've done a very good job and the quality of the work is quite excellent. The third, and I think by far the most important thing that we did, was to ask for the opinion of the masons. Sometimes the architect might have overlooked certain things, and if you give the mason an opportunity, they will be able to suggest some changes that need to be made. For example, the original plan for the outhouse had an open stairwell, but the mason insisted that it should be covered and part of the building so that we could place a door at the entrance for extra security, and also the space under the stairwell can be used for storage. A bonus for you today will be the material quantities and the labor cost, which will be at the end. Please, if you observe anything that is not up to standard, kindly drop a comment, or if you want more privacy, you can send me an email and I would really appreciate that. Thank you. To summarize the work done and to conclude episode 3, 6-inch quarry dust blocks were used to make the foundation for both the outhouse and the security post. After, reinforced concrete was cast on top of the 6-inch blocks for additional strength. Starting from the back, where the guy is holding the rebar, is the stairwell to the upstairs unit. The middle section is one bedroom with its own washroom. At the front is a single car garage, so we will have 2 entrances to the property, one directly opposite to the outhouse and the other one next to the security post. Don't forget to watch to the end to get the quantities of materials used and the labor cost for episode 3. We are very thankful to our returning subscribers and all who have watched our videos for their support and encouragement.